Hello again, lab partner. We are here today to do a heat lab. In fact, I'm going to go in Essential Documents and grab this bad layer right here. It's a reaction. This is on Hess's Law. I have a video on Hess's Law. Hess's Law says it doesn't make any difference how you get to the bottom line. You can do it by combining reactions or doing one fell swoop reaction, and that's what we're doing in this lab. In this lab, we're going to have two separate reactions and a third reaction. The heats of the reactions, the first two should equal the third one. The third one can stand on its own, and we'll show you later on how these two put together are the same reaction as this one overall. So it's a two partial reactions. We'll be doing each one of those, and we'll do the overall reaction here. You have a data table. We put that in for you, and that's on the third page. I don't want to write on this one. This is actually a good copy of that I have. It's on my hard copy, and I want to write on it. So what I'm just doing is I'm just reproducing the data table over here on this piece of paper. So we're going to write for reaction one. We'll be doing reaction one, of course, first. We'll do them in order. And there's reaction one. Reaction one wants me to take some solid sodium hydroxide and place that in here on the balance. You get about 4 grams. It says 4 grams. It doesn't have to be exactly 4 grams. What's important is we write down exactly how much we use. So I will do that shortly. And once we get that, we have to quickly put that into water. The sodium hydroxide pellets are what are called hygroscopic, and they love to absorb water from the air. If you take a sodium hydroxide pellet, just leave it out, and on a humid day, it'll just liquefy. And so we don't want that to happen. So we're going to take the sodium hydroxide from here very quickly. We'll put that into the water, which I've measured out 100 milliliters, and we do need to get the temperature of the water. I'm going to take that water, we're going to pour that into our cup, put that into our calorimeter. This is our calorimeter, it's our top, and we have an opening in there for a temperature probe. And so we'll put the water in the cup, take sodium hydroxide, plop that in, and we'll be ready to record the temperature. It's a temperature, this is a heat lab, so it's about temperatures, initial and final temperatures of solutions, and we have that written down, TITF, initial and final temperature for our solutions. So let's do right now, what we'll do is we will get the initial temperature of the water, and so we'll put the temperature probe in the water. It should be just about room temperature since it's been sitting out in the room for a while, but we do want to make sure so we can see that the temperature of the water is 23.1 degrees. So let's write that down on our data table. The initial temperature of the water, the 100 milliliters of water, we'll write that down as well, is 23.1. So let's go over and write down. The volume of the water is 100 milliliters, right on the button, and our initial temperature of that water was 23.1 degrees. All right, lab partner, I'll be back with you very soon. I'm going to mass out approximately 4 grams of the sodium hydroxide pellets. We'll write down exactly how much we put in to the water, and we'll go ahead and put that in the water. I'll be right back.